Сегодня заехали к ребятам в Лепу. Погодка достаточно такая мрачненькая, но место хорошее. Лепа от нашего домашнего суббота отличается тем, что в самом деле тут намного более широкий пляж. Не уверен, что получится, конечно, катнуть на гидрофойле, потому что там достаточно широкая мель. Идти может быть тупо лень. Но мы попробуем. Вот. Кайтов здесь немного. Место известно тем, что это такой музыкальный городок. Сейчас уже не сезон, поэтому особо людей нет.
So that I never feel alone again. They've always been so kind, but now they brought.
Знак «Осторожно, ветер» поставлен муниципалитетом. Совершенно государственная штука.
Away from me. I hope they didn't get your mind. Your heart is too strong anyway. We need to fetch back the time that they have stolen from us. 'Cause I want you, we can bring it on the floor. We never danced like this before. We don't talk about it, dancing on, do the boogie all night long. Stoned in paradise. Should he talk about it? Should he talk about it? The coldest winter for me. No sun is shining anymore. The only thing I feel is pain. It's caused by absence of you. Suspense controlling my mind. I cannot find my way out of here. I want you by my side, so that I never feel alone again. I want you, you can bring it on the floor. We never danced like this before. We don't talk about it, dancing on, do the boogie all night long. Stoned in paradise, should he talk about it? I want you, we can bring it on the floor. We never danced.
Забавно. В Лепе сохранился старое здание с надписью «Слава Сталину».
It's like this before. We don't talk about it, dancing on, do the boogie all night long. Stoned in paradise, should he talk about it? Why you keep on talking about it? No, no, don't talk about it. Don't you dare talk about it.